Hello everyone and welcome to your 12th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Trimming and Adjusting Clips. In this tutorial, we will get in detail for working on our clips that we need. So let's jump right into it. First of all, we will see more about the options available over here. We already know about the jog option. We know about the play option. We know about step forward, step backward options. Now we will get to know more about some of the other options available over here. First of all, let's go back to our source window. Now, for example, if I wanted just this small part starting from here till here, I will set the out point to this and the in point has already been set to that point. Now when I play, this keeps on playing. As you can see, if you want to only play on this certain area, you can bring your CTI over here, select the loop option and then press play, and then the video will loop from the end point to the start point, then from the start point again to the end point. You can view any part by clicking and dragging the in and out points, and then when you play, it will play as you need. Now one more option over here is the overlay. For example, I want this much area to be inserted into our sequence again. In order to do that, what we did in the last tutorial was insert the footage. Now the difference between insert and overlay is that the footage we selected between the in and out points will be inserted starting from the current time indicator where that mark is, and the footage will be inserted over here and it will push the videos that are already over there, the clips, and then it will make its way. For example, when I put insert over here, to properly demonstrate it, let's just keep the CTI in between. I'll magnify this. Now if I press insert, as you can see, the video got cut from the point where the CTI was, and the new video that you selected got inserted on its place. But that's not the case with overlay. When we overlay, the video on the bottom or the video that is currently on the clip gets replaced with the footage that is over here. If we overlay it, as you can see, that much part of the video got overlaid by the source video that we selected, and the total space is the same. So this is the basic difference between the insert and overlay, and we also learned about the loop option here. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. We will learn more in the later tutorials. Thank you for watching.